Imagine making $1,000 a day for free. I know this might seem impossible, but if you watch this video until the end, I will break everything down step by step to make this your reality. If you like the sound of that, smash that like button and let's get into it. First things first, you need to go over to Kraken.com. This is a cryptocurrency exchange marketplace where people come to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and all other cryptocurrencies. Now, don't worry, you won't have to do that, and you won't have to spend any money. People are literally spending tens of thousands of dollars on cryptocurrency exchange marketplaces like Kraken.com. But what does that have to do with you? Well, you'll see exactly. What now? Go to Kraken.com, scroll down to the bottom, and here you have affiliates. I want you to click on that, and that will then take you over to this affiliate page right here, and soon I will show you which mistakes newbies make that gets them banned from the website. And because of that mistake, they are not able to make any money at all, and I want you to avoid those mistakes. But I'll get to that later. Here you can see that you will be making 20% of the trading fees collected from clients. So if you refer someone that spends $1,000 to $100 goes to you for absolutely free and completely passively. I'll show you how to find these people to refer at the end of this video. Now you will just need to scroll down a little bit and you will be able to see this application form right here. So click here to become an affiliate. Now this is going to be really important. Once you land on this page, once again, you will be paid up to $1,000 for each person that you refer to this website, depending on how much they are gonna spend here. That could be even more than 1K. And I will show you how you can refer thousands of them, but first of all, I want to make sure you will not make the same mistake as all of those newbies because I want you to start making money with this website, so pay close attention. You'll now need to enter a full valid name in these two boxes. Enter your valid email address in this box, then just create a unique username for your account. That's all the basic stuff. You're just signing up to their affiliate program. You will enter some basic demographic information about yourself, and you will also enter your country. And as you can see, they accept people from all over the world. So if your country is on this list, then chances are it will work for you too. And they have all countries right here, so just find yours, select it. And enter some, once again, basic demographic information about yourself. And now here comes to the crucial part. Here's where to avoid the mistake. So first of all, they will ask you for your partner type and you will select the partner type right here. But the thing is, if you select offline or other right here, you will immediately get a decline because any applications where the partner type is offline or other will be automatically banned. You will basically get banned from their affiliate program and you will never be able to make money with Kraken.com. And trust me, you will lose a great opportunity, so make sure you select anything else but offline and other. You can select email search engine marketing, loyalty and rewards coupon deals, whatever you prefer, but not offline or other. That's the first mistake you must avoid. And the second thing which you will need to pay close attention to is the social networks you want to add. You want to make sure that at least one social media account is actually set to public. If it's set to private, you will immediately get auto decline and you will never be able to make money with this. So what I highly recommend you do is either create an Instagram account or Instagram page or just create a simple YouTube channel, and don't worry, you will not have to publish anything on there. You don't need followers, you don't need subscribers, don't need views or anything like that. You literally just need that account, just as proof that it's a public account and that they should accept you into their affiliate program. So that's really important. Just select social networks and add some of your social profiles that are set to public. And once you've filled out all of the information about yourself and you have successfully avoided all of those mistakes, you will just scroll a little bit down and you will hit the sign up right here. Once you hit sign up, your application will be submitted and you will just need to wait for a couple of hours or sometimes even a couple of business days to get accepted into their affiliate program. Then you can grab your affiliate link from which you can make a few $1,000 per person you refer to Kraken.com. And now, finally, once you grab your affiliate link, you will just need to start using this free traffic source with over 1 billion monthly visits. That's right, over 1 billion people visit this platform on a regular monthly basis. And you can use it as a traffic source for your Kraken affiliate link, so you can make up to $1,000 per person that signs up and that start investing through your affiliate link. And that platform that I'm talking about is none other than Reddit. This is a community-based website with hundreds of thousands of different small communities with targeted people, with people talking about a specific topic, as you can see. For example, if you go to the search bar and search how to buy Bitcoin, that's going to give you all these people discussing how they can buy Bitcoin, and you can do the same for any other cryptocurrency, and there will be always new people asking the same question again and again. How to buy cryptocurrency? What's the best platform to buy cryptocurrency? What's the best platform to start investing your money in cryptocurrency? How to buy Bitcoin? How to buy any other cryptocurrency? And if you run out of ideas, out of keywords to search for, like how to buy Bitcoin. If you don't know any other cryptocurrency, just go over to Google and find all of the other cryptocurrencies that people might search for on Reddit. So for example, I can search for which cryptocurrency to invest in now, and that's going to give me all of these different suggestions, like I can use Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, Polkadot, Bitcoin, and so on. I can go back to Reddit and I can search, for example, how to buy Ethereum, and then I'll find people that are interested in buying Ethereum. And once you find all those people, you can basically reply to all of them and you can tell them, hey, this is the best platform to buy some Bitcoin. This is the best platform where you can start investing in cryptocurrency. This is the best platform where you can buy some Litecoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, whatever cryptocurrency they're looking for, and you will never run out of people to reply to because you have all of these different cryptocurrencies. And you have all these people asking these questions again and again. There are new questions coming in all the time, so just sign up to reddit.com for absolutely free. It's gonna take you less than 60 seconds. And just search for different keywords like how to buy Bitcoin, where to buy Bitcoin, where to buy any other cryptocurrency, and just find people that are interested in that and start applying to them with your affiliate link. Provide them with your affiliate link and they will be thankful because you're providing them with a solution to their problem. They're already searching for like how to invest and how to actually buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. And now you're just giving them a solution, which is your affiliate link, which is going to make you up to $1,000 per person. And as you can see that some of these communities, some of these threads on Reddit literally have millions of members. That's a lot of people and a lot of potential referrals to Kraken.com. Remember, you don't need a lot of them. So here's how I would do it. I would just reply to someone that's asking how to invest or where to buy cryptocurrency. And I would say something along the lines of, you might find this helpful. I've been using lots of different cryptocurrency exchange platforms over the past 2 months, but the best one so far is this one, and I would paste my affiliate link over there. You can of course customize this, change it, or write different messages, or even just first try to connect with that person. And all of the other people that are also searching for how to buy and where to buy Bitcoin will be able to see your affiliate link as well, because it's a public comment. It's not only gonna be for that one person, but it's actually going to be a reply for all of the other people searching for the same solution. You literally need one person a day to make $1,000 every single day using Kraken's affiliate program. This has a massive potential, so go out there and find as many people as you possibly can on reddit.com or on any other social media platform, whether that's on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. That's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.